As BC gets COVID-19 under control, another public health emergency rages on. June was a record-breaking month in this province for all the wrong reasons.
Very frustrating and saddening to share this news.
175 British Columbians died of illicit drug overdoses in the month of June. 99 more than June of last year and 4 more than the previous record set in May.
The main thing that we're seeing in our data continues to be a toxic drug supply. We see fentanyl detected in about 4 in every 5 deaths since 2016.
It's just hard on the front lines to see the things that some of us have had to see.
Sarah Blythe has run a supervised consumption site on Vancouver's downtown east side for several years. Lately, every day has been an uphill battle.
Just the other day, I heard about a young man who passed away. He shouldn't have died. He had his whole life ahead of him. There's no reason for that.
Pandemic-related border closures have cut off drug supply chains, making illicit drugs more toxic.
Crystal meth and cocaine, we're seeing fentanyl in those. We're seeing just a mishmash of all kinds of drugs.
There are many, many reasons why people use drugs, and we cannot be judgmental, particularly now where it is such a dangerous situation.
The province knew COVID-19 could cause a spike in overdose deaths, so when the pandemic hit, doctors got the approval to prescribe safe drugs. Drug users now have access to hydromorphone and methadone to prevent severe withdrawals.
People aren't prescribing enough safe supply to folks, even though they can. And that would be a real game changer if really people could get safe access.
Safe supply, just one element of a complex crisis the Premier doesn't think the province can overcome on its own.
We need federal intervention on the legal components of this in terms of decriminalization, and we also need a national plan because although British Columbia is hit hard by this, we're not the only ones in the country.
At least one frustrated frontline worker agrees.
Get up and say, this is a national health crisis, and we're going to do something about it, and we're going to save some lives.
In Vancouver, Travis Prasad, City News.